So for the assignment number 7, you're going to create a website on Spark. And in the assignment, it talks about what your 2 sections should be. One of them is your new technology section, and that refers to assignment number 6, which is your emerging technology. And then also the tech that changed the world, that's your second section. That is referring back to assignment number 3, which is that video. All right. Now, to do that, you can click on this little image here or this link, and this will take you to a website that gives you an overview of kind of what yours could look like. But I'm going to step you through how you do this. So if I open up, first of all, my assignment number 6, so this is our previous assignment where you were supposed to go through and find a video about some emerging technology, find a news story about that emerging technology, an image or 2, and a summary, right? A 4 to 6 sentence summary. So if you did all of that on assignment number 6, this new assignment will be really easy because it's a lot of just kind of moving it from this format, putting it into the actual website. So to do that, you're going to go into Spark. Remember, you want to log into Spark using your school account, as we have used it before. And we are going to create a web page. So on this first page or home page, you want to choose this option here called web page. It's going to pop open. It's going to want to know what is the title of your website. And you can, of course, change this later. But here at the top, I'm going to call this, the future. I'm going to put in my full name, but you should just put in your initials so that, because this is going to be a public website. And the way that the websites work on Spark is it is a scrolling website. So everything starts at the top and just goes straight down, and you're using these little plus symbols as you go. Right. So if I look at my example here, my very first section is going to be what my new technology is. Right. So mine is the Walmart automation thing. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go ahead and click a new text. And I want that to be H1, which is header 1, which is the size of a title. And then I'm going to insert the video that I found. So I'm going to go back to my assignment number 6, go to my slide, find my video. And if you did it most efficiently, you should have found this off of YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my YouTube. Right here's my actual YouTube video. I'm going to grab that link. All right, and then I'm going to go back here. And I'm going to add that video. Click video, paste the link, and it will put it right in there. Perfect. All right. Then I'm going to scroll down to my next section. Remember, my next section should be my summary of this. Okay. So I'm going to go down again into my slideshow. Down here's my summary. It's a little bit out of order. I copy my summary, and I'm just going to add text to this next section, a little plus symbol text. Paste it right in there. Bang. All right. My next section is going to be where I have a combination of my graphics and my actual article that I found. Okay. So again, I'm going to go back to my assignment number 6. I'm going to go find my article. So right here was my article. I'm going to click it and I'm going to open it. So here's my article that I found. So I could get all my information from here, right? And I am going to start creating that. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the title of this article. I'm just going to copy it so I don't even have to type it. And for this, I like to use the split layout. I think it looks clean. Gives me the ability to put an image on the left, text on the right. You can, of course, flip-flop that. So I'm going to add some text. I'm going to use an H2 on this, and that's where I'm going to paste the title. All right, maybe I want to center that. There we go. And then I'm going to put my little summary. And what I do is I usually go to the article, and sometimes there's a summary right under the title, or sometimes it's the very first sentence. Okay, so sometimes I like to do this. I'm gonna grab the first sentence out of the article. Go here, click. You notice I have yet to type something yet. A lot of it is copy paste, right? And I'm just duplicating what this is. All right. And then the link is actually called a button. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on this link button. And it has a couple of options here. What do I want it to say? I'm going to say click here for the full story. That way I'm not doing copyright infringement. I'm saying, hey, look, here's the full story. And I'm giving them credit because I'm going to go grab their URL. I'm going to grab this web address. Go over here. I'm going to paste it in. I like it to be centered. Click save. Bang. There's the button. All right. So I've created that little section. Over here on the left side, I'm going to add my image. Now you can add whatever images you want. If you like this image, hopefully you have it saved somewhere on your computer or you know where it is. I'm actually just going to use one of their built-in images and look for a robot. Well, these are strange robots. Let's just do that one. Why not? And so it doesn't have to be a picture of the actual invention. You can, of course, if you have it downloaded, you could just upload that image. And then that's my second section, right? Or the end of my first section, rather. So I've got my video, I've got my summary, I've got my article with a link to that article. All of those things are directly from assignment number 6, this Google slideshow that you did with our previous assignment, okay? And that is section 1, what it's talking about right here. Now, to do section 2, all you're gonna do is go back and find your video that you created back here on assignment 3, the Tech That Changed the World movie. Okay. The easiest way to do that is I'm going to go into Spark. I'm going to find my video. Here it is, the life-changing tech. If you remember, this is the one where you picked somewhere between 3 and 5 different inventions and you created a little movie out of it, right? So I'm just going to click share, publish, and I'm going to grab that link real quick. I'm going to go here. I'm going to give myself a little summary. Tech That Changed the World. Make that a title. H1, I like that. Let's center it. Great. And then give me a little summary of what those are. Leave that. Technology has changed the world. 5 of the most influential inventions are shoes, cars, whatever it is that's in my movie, right? So you guys aren't staring at me, type this, you get the idea. Then I'm going to just simply insert that video. Notice this is from Adobe Spark. I save it, puts it in there, it embeds it. All right, so in the matter of about 7 minutes here, I've showed you how to put in the title, put in either your name or you can put in a subtitle, but don't put your full name, please. Put in a title and the video of your emerging technology from assignment number 6. You're putting in the summary that you did in assignment number 6. And you are simply creating this little link area over here to the article that you found in assignment number 6. Again, this is a button that I did that way. And then a simple embedding of your video from assignment number 3. If you don't like the theme of this, you can, of course, once you're done with all this, change the theme, change the backgrounds, change all those sorts of things. Those can be done. I don't like this boring background, so maybe I want to do something like that. That's kind of creepy, but there you go, right? All of this is clicking. So again, the example website looks like this, and it shows you all those different sections. title, movie, summary, article, and then your assignment number 3 video that you created of life-changing technology. Once you're done with this, you're simply going to click on the share and submit it like you would any other Spark project, and the link from you submitting it will be what you turn in on Google Classroom.